Who doesn't love pizza? And you can make this one in 30 minutes. Let's get started. To make my pizza, I'm using the well-known Fathead Pizza crust dough. You can find the recipe anywhere online, but so that you can follow along with this video, I'll keep the recipe at the left of the screen just so that you can use it as you're making your pizza. To begin, you're going to need almond flour, mozzarella, salt, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, 1 egg, and cream cheese. Now that you have all of your ingredients, let's mix everything together. Measure 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella in a mixing bowl. Then you want to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Blend that in the microwave until the cream cheese and the mozzarella has melted together. You want to stir that every 30 seconds just so that you can make sure those ingredients are blended together. Once the mozzarella and the cream cheese are melted together, go ahead and take it out of the microwave and add 3/4 cups of almond flour. After adding the almond flour, crack an egg and also add that into the mixture. Now you'll begin to stir the dough until it comes together. Once it begins to form a ball, now it's time to use your hands. Begin to use your hands to knead the dough until it forms a solid ball. Now that your ingredients are together and you have a ball of dough, take that ball of dough and place it onto some parchment paper or a sealed pad. Now you can begin to spread that dough into the shape that you want your pizza to have. Now that you have the desired shape of your pizza, go ahead and top your dough with the seasoning that you want. I'm using Italian seasoning and garlic powder. I also added just a tad bit of salt on top of the dough as well. And once your dough is seasoned to your liking, pop it into the oven for 12 to 18 minutes. The dough will have bubbles that form throughout the baking process, so make sure to take a fork and pop those bubbles so that your pizza dough is flat. And after 12 to 18 minutes, this is what your pizza dough should look like. Brown, crispy, and ready for your toppings. So for my pizza sauce, I'm using a generic regular pizza sauce that I just picked up from the grocery store already pre-made. And I would say I put maybe ½ cup of pasta sauce on this pizza. After adding the pasta sauce, I topped the pizza with a little more cheese and then went on to add my veggies. My veggies of choice this time were green and yellow peppers and onions. Once those peppers and onions are in place, go ahead and add whatever type of meat you want. I'm using pepperoni this time. And once the pepperoni is all over that pizza, go ahead and finish it off with some more cheese. And now it's time to place it back in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. Just long enough for all of the ingredients to blend together and for that cheese to melt. And after you take the pizza out of the oven, this is the final product. A crunchy flatbread wonder topped with stretchy mozzarella cheese and spicy pepperoni. And I can't wait to dig in. I'm J Fair on air. I'm 30 plus and counting. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you try this recipe. See you next time. Bye bye.